Hello guys, good morning, it's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a pretty good day trading recap. Could have been a lot better. Look at those lines, and look, TLRY, this is TLRY. I was expecting TLRY to move about $7 today. See that? $7, and that was my target. This is why I've been trying to take it long here. Took it long here, stepped out. That's why I've been trying to take it long here, I said, okay, maybe, because this one is not shortable anymore. I was shortable at the open, but it wasn't after a few minutes, I think all shorts were gone. And there's like a short squeeze happening on this one. Yeah, so I was expecting it to move about $7. To see here, we're very close, $6.80. I was like, I wish I held, or I did not add too much in here. I got stopped. I was slowly taking it long here, stopped out, taking it long, stopped out, and then yeah, I should be trading wider stops when I know that it's gonna move up at least $7, because I was trading 50 cents, a dollar or 50 cents around this area. So I've been just giving back money, and then I gained everything back a little bit more. But I mean, this was a good trade, that's why I risked a bit more. So this was a winning trade again, and then I gave back a little bit here. So whatever I lost here, I gained back here. But I wish I had looked at those shares. Like, I had a feeling that it's gonna go 40 and 39. That's why I even added here. It's just, I have to be protective of my profit, because you know, most of the time I will give back. And look at that, 42.50, another level that I have. It's insane. Yeah. So 42.50, it's probably gonna go there. So where did I get 42.50? It's probably, I don't know where actually. It's probably a moving average somewhere, or I don't know. It's a level that I saw way back. Like if you go back, you will see this level in here. So that's kind of my line. Yeah, it's a bit frustrating, but man, I gotta trust this range that I predicted. Yeah, I don't know what to say. It's anyways, yeah, so I also in my list I also have APHA alpha. I expected alpha to move about $2.50. It did hit my target, this sell target. So the red means I'm gonna sell in those area. If I took it long here, I'm gonna sell here, but see, I'm impatient. I need to improve. Oh no, I'm sorry, I'm looking at TLRY. Yeah, see, if I bought it here in this area, right, I'll be selling somewhere here and here. That's the red sell area. Same for this. If I buy it here, I'm gonna sell here. If I short here, I'm gonna probably selling here at this 20 area. Look at that, 23. Because I was expecting it to move about $2.50. So that's kind of like a max area that it can move. Yeah, I also traded PNGO. It's not bingo, but it's like PNGO. It's like BioNano or something. So I took it long here, small profit, took it long here, gave back whatever I have in here, because I added here, and then I see that's the like short level, but I didn't want to short it. So because I was focused on TLRY, so I got out here. Good thing I got out. Look at that. So if you shorted here, it bounced here, $12. So levels are magic, man. You can just trade levels. But the thing is, I was expecting it to move about $1.50. There's no ARVL. That's why I said, okay, there's no point of really trading this. Yeah, so it's frustrating about TLRY. I really expected it to move. Short squeeze, it's like 50% right now. Yeah, so let's watch. But before everything else, subscribe to my channel for updates and follow me in my social media accounts. Yeah, so here I was mainly watching TLRY. As you can see here, market is about to open. First minute, a lot of volume. I should have shorted it here. I was really late. This was FOMO actually. This is stupid. I should have shorted it here, wherever my line is. Could have been a nice profit. Yeah, so I'm late. So this is profit taking probably. See, imagine that was a really nice move if I shorted it here, and then I flipped it long because it's gonna squeeze. I know this stock has 50% squeeze, so I was able to short it. See, you can still short it at the open, so probably some of the people will not be able to short it after a few minutes because everyone's probably getting all the shares to short. So I took it long here for wherever I'm gonna take it short, because it's a round number. There's a lot of orders. See that? A lot of orders. And there's another area here that I'm going to be entering, 35.50. I kind of recognize that. It's probably just going to squeeze up. What I did, I was taking 10%, 10%, 10%. So I was just taking 10% in there. Because that was, I went in heavy here. See? So this is my stop. I went in twice. There you go. I was even sending limit orders because the spread was like 12 cents, 8 cents. There you go, like taking most of my my shares there. So yeah, that was a really great move. Yeah, that was great. That was like less than 5-minute trade, right? So my average is 34.97, as you can see here, 98. So I was planning to add somewhere here, but I was FOMO'd, so I added here. Then I stopped out. Okay, so here is, I was kind of like, okay, since I don't want to short TLRY, it took what's this BNGO. For the way I traded BNGO is this drop and then it recovered that much, that heavy. So I was hoping for a squeeze up for high of day break, which is great. There's a round number here, half round number 1250. I entered before that, risking probably 1240 area, and then I stopped out because I didn't like how choppy it is. What else did I trade? I think I traded this after again. I was patient after this. I said, should I trade more? I reached my goal or not? Let's fast forward just a bit. So as you can see here, let's look at what's this BNGO. That's what I traded. APHA. I wanted to trade APHA here around 21 area. I see that's kind of like a bull flag ish. Wanted to trade 21, risking maybe 2090 for high of day break up. Round number here, I was expecting it to move $2.50 for only halfway, so there's still room to grow. So it's really good to have like a range how much it can move, right? So my range is kind of like 250-ish, so we still have about $1. So as you can see from TLRY here, I have it at $7 here. It's gonna move $7, and it's only moved about $2.50, and look where it is now, right? It moved it moved about from 35, almost $9, I think. Crazy. So yeah, I mean, this is just a guide. It's not really, going to be 100% accurate, but it's better if it's accurate, so you know where it's going to go. Yeah, and for BNGO, it's really choppy, no RVOL, so it didn't really move much. So like here, so BNGO, it's only $1.50, but no RVOL. Yeah, so let's continue and watch. Let's fast forward, see what else I traded. I can't remember. Oh, I traded yeah, BNGO again. I didn't like how it's chopping around, to be honest. I wasn't really confident about this trade, but I said, okay, I'm gonna fully risk 1240 just in case. I even added because I said, okay, maybe it's really gonna pop, but I wasn't confident about it. I said, okay, maybe I'll just close this and go to TLRY because yeah, TLRY is, yep, I entered TLRY. Let's fast forward this a bit. Yep. So risking somewhere at 37, but full risk is somewhere at 36.40. But I was willing to risk somewhere at 37. It goes drop here. I'm not gonna do the full risk. So I took a little bit in there, just taking small partials. That's good. 50 cents, 60 cents. But I wasn't really taking full partial because I want high of day break. And then, yeah, I stopped out. So let's wait for a pullback. Let's go here. So TLRY moved about $4 now. Still have $3 left. So probably it can move $3 more from here. Then probably, yeah, more than that. Look, it's good to have change from high and from low, so you know how much far it is from high, right? So this is from high, it's about $1.44. From low, it's about $2.74. So this is $2.74, and this is $1.44. So you don't have to calculate anymore. It's right there, right? It's right there telling you how much you have left. So if you're expecting a $7 move, and then from low and from high, this is, you know, you can probably risk $1.50 or $1, depends what you have, and then you can get a $3 move, right? If you're like in trading really big size, I think this is really useful, but I don't trade big size. I'm not a big time trader. I hope to be at that point sometime. Yeah, this is trading is, for me, is not my main source of income. It's like a part-time job for me. But you know, once I reach the goal that I want, maybe, I don't know, I'll be happy if I make $2,000 a day or $3,000 a day. Then that I can consider full-time. So let's fast forward this. It's gonna take a while. Don't judge me on this new trades because I really want this 3870. You see this red? I really want that. That's why I was like trying really hard. I stopped out because I don't want to. I see selling every time it pops up. Selling. So I don't want this to drop on me. And look at that, and that's gonna make me FOMO, right? That, see, that's FOMO. That's FOMO, and for sure I stopped out. I even added, yeah. I thought it's gonna continue. I'm probably getting stopped here somewhere. So I took, yeah, see, because I know I don't want this to drop to 36.50 and maybe lose more. So this, yeah, this was my last try. Yeah. So when I saw that it's really holding this area here, there's not much volume of selling here. This was a good idea to take it long. That was a good, I don't know, what do you call this candlestick? Yeah. So I came back in here full size. This was half. This was just full size, hoping for 3870. That's what I want. 10% profit, 10% partial. I said, no, I'm gonna get stopped again. So 3712 is my average. Actually, I wanted to add here, but I just can't. That was like a bull flag, right? Mini bull flag. This was good. This was probably the best entry. I should have waited for that, not like enter here. Normally when it does this, wait for a bit of pullback, then you add or you enter. This is where you enter. Yeah, it's still a lot of room to grow for me to learn. So I was really, so average is 37.12, right? So I don't have a lot of shares left here anymore. I should have added here, not there, because I wanted this 38.70. 44 is high of day, so we're close. It went up and it came back. That was a bad sign. So I added there. New average is 37.72. Kind of indecision candle here. And then I just stopped out because it probably could reverse back to 37.25. And this is where you would want to take it long again if you want. But the thing is, you should be taking profit here, right? Imagine if you haven't been taking profit, then you're missing it, because it could just reverse back. This is like a double top, kind of like a double top. Could probably just reverse back to your entry, or to go back to 36.51. So, you know, it's a matter of, should I take profit or should I hold? But if your position was somewhere here, take profit here, but whatever. So this was an area to add, or to enter actually. This area here. So this is probably high of pre-market. Yes, it is. So that's kind of like an area to add. Normally it bounce there, it will bounce there. Let's see. I think I stopped recording. I have 2 minutes left in this recording, so let's just move back to here. Oh my god, look at that. $11 move. Shit. So right. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Oh wow. Wow. That's crazy. Scratching my head, but this doesn't happen every day. So yeah. And look at APHA also moving crazy. At least the market is moving. It's just great. It's all good, you know. You can't short it right now. Symbol is not shortable. Yeah. These are the things that we miss. But yeah, got nothing else to watch. Sorry about that. Yeah, I got nothing else to say, so I just want to say thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates and follow me in my social media accounts. Today was a crazy day. Who knows, TLRY will move about $11.23. I was only expecting it to move $7. Probably the reason why is the short percentage for that is 50%, so it's kind of like GameStop squeeze again, wherein there's a lot of shorters and then they just want to squeeze everyone. So probably really scared to short a stock now that has more than 50% because they can just squeeze. Yeah, got nothing else to say, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.